Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today we are going to Pottery Barn and Homegoods. As you know, Pottery Barn is a little bit more expensive, but I like to go and get some inspiration, and I'm excited to see what new fall things they have. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hang tight, and let's see what we can find today. Walking in, the first thing that I spotted was this woven Malibu bench. This would look so nice in an entryway or in a bedroom, like how they have it styled. I found this dresser and these nightstands, and I just fell in love with this light gray wood style. The lines on this was just so beautiful. These tables are really cute, but I've seen them cheaper at World Market and other stores, but the marble is just so stunning. These braille glass storage containers are just so beautiful, perfect for Q-tips, cotton balls, and they just look so elegant. This white little sofa is just so cute. This would look really nice in like a little office or in a bedroom. I really loved this rug as well. Oh my gosh, I just loved the gray muted color, and the floral detail was just a perfect touch. This barn lamp I just fell in love with. I just thought it was so unique with the rope detailing, and it just looked antique. So I've been thinking about changing up our headboard lately, and this kind of inspired me. I really love this light wood color. It just looks so bright. This tufted cream colored little sofa was just so cute. A little expensive, but I really loved it. I wanted to take all of these rugs home. I fell in love. So adorable. They are pretty pricey, but the material, they are made out of wool, so you know that they're gonna last forever. This one, oh my gosh, I could not stop thinking about it all day. I just love this gray and like cream color. It just looks so vintage, and you could honestly put this in any home, and I think it would just look so incredible. This one I also really fell in love with. I just love the hint of blue. It was just perfect. Even though this one was pretty colorful, I just love the detailing. I love the pattern. I love the print, and it was just so cute. This one was also nice because it is adjustable, and I love the brass detailing in the middle. These pillows look so nice. Even though they're colorful, it just works with the white couch and it doesn't look like too much. I absolutely love these flameless candles. I picked up the smallest one thinking it was going to be like maybe $20. Nope, $54, a little bit too expensive, but they do look really nice. These Persian rug pillows were so cute. I just love the colors. Starting off at Homegoods, I was in the bathroom section and I saw this, and I don't know why it was there. I guess it would look cute in a bathroom, but I'm picturing this more so as a nightstand. After seeing Arvin's video, I had to come to my Homegoods to see if they had these African gourd baskets, and sure enough they did. These were just so beautiful and unique. I'm not much of a silver girl kind of person. I usually like gold, but for some reason this was just really cute. I don't know, I liked it. These lamps were a little bit too much gold, but if you don't have an accent color yet, this would look really nice. $24.99 for this abstract painting. I just fell in love with it. So beautiful. This totally looks like something that you could DIY. It looks like something, honestly, that Beckham could make, but it actually works. It's really cute. I love this bench, even though I'm not for yellow, but I love the pattern and it wasn't too vibrant. I liked this rug, like vintage styled bench with the light wood legs. Of course, I had to look at the crystals. I'm looking for a more unique color. I have an amethyst already, but they did have some good ones if you're in the market for a good crystal. Alright guys, we are back. Let's go ahead and jump into the haul. So first thing that I got at Homegoods was 2 candles. The first one is Calming Waves by DW Home. This one was $9.99. It just smells so clean and just fresh. Next one, to get us in the fall spirit a little bit, this one is White Pumpkin and Vanilla, and the brand is Cloud9. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. It smells like pumpkin, but like a little bit fruity, but clean. I don't know, it just smells so good, and with the rose gold lid is just so cute. And then next is this painting, which was $24.99. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then it has like this gold frame. It's just so beautiful. And you can see how big this is. And for $24.99, I could not pass this up. I think I'm going to either put this in our bedroom or in our guest bathroom. I have not decided yet. I really love these kind of paintings. Next is my absolute favorite. So if you are into home decor and if you know who Arvin Alano is, I'm sure he's not watching this, but if you are, Arvin, I absolutely adore you. Oh my God, okay, so he showed this basket on his latest video, and this basket is an RH dupe. It's an African gourd basket. It's handmade, and these usually run for almost $1,000 or even more than $1,000. I'm not sure. I'll leave like a screenshot here off to the side. But at RH, these are so expensive. In fact, anywhere these are so expensive. You can even look on Etsy, and I think the cheapest price that I have found is like $150, which is, I mean, still kind of pricey for me anyway. So the brand of this one is Jambo, and you guys, it was $49.99, and oh my God, it's just such great quality. I don't know where I'm gonna put this because honestly, I wish I would have gotten more. In my Homegoods, they probably had about 10 of them. I kept seeing them everywhere, and I was like, okay, it's a sign. I had the larger one in my basket, and I was gonna get the bigger one, which was, I believe, like $80 or so. And then I was like, okay, you know what? Let's just not get the large one. Let's just get the small one. $50 is kind of expensive for a basket, but it's the type of basket that this is. If you look close, it is just so detailed and beautiful. And just by adding this to your home will just bring such earthy, homey, warm vibes. I don't know. There's just so many ways that you could style this. You could put pampas grass, olive branches in here. You can hang over a blanket, which I think is kind of how I'm planning to style it. There's just so many endless possibilities, and I just love him so much. He's so, okay, I'm gonna start talking about it because I'm just so excited. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna talk about what I got from Pottery Barn. I fell in love with these pillow covers. They are gorgeous. If you shop pillows at Pottery Barn, especially online, you have to know that it only comes with the cover. You have to buy the insert separate, which kind of sucks because now I have to go find a size of pillow to fit this, but yeah, I might just try ordering some from Amazon or something like that. But this is 22 by 22 inches, and this was $45.50. Sorry, I'm not wearing my glasses. So it's so beautiful. It's just like this really beautiful muted like orange and blue, and it looks like a Persian vintage type of like rug material, and it is just such great quality. I cannot wait to put these on our bed. So I did get 2 of them, and I just think it's going to look so great. One thing, if you have like a neutral home, you don't really have too much color, you could always just put little pops of color here and there, and doing like your pillow covers is the best way. And the last thing that I got is this gorgeous vessel. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. It is this charcoal black color, and it just looks like vintage the way that it's painted. And this was $49.50. I, once again, don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I will find a spot. I think I might put this in our bathroom, our guest bathroom, like on the counter, and put some really pretty dry florals. But once again, there's just so many ways that you could style this. It would look beautiful on the kitchen counter with some dried eucalyptus, which is one of my favorite ways to style vessels, especially like on the counter. It just adds a nice homey touch and also smells really great and fresh, and just gives your home that extra kick. So this is all I got today. I am super excited. One thing when I am shopping for home decor, I always look for pieces that I am going to want forever. And that's what's always in the back of my mind. When I see a piece and I love it, I think to myself, okay, is this something that is versatile that I could put in different rooms? Is this something that I can see myself having 10 years from now? Because home decor is expensive, but it's art to me. And I think if you splurge in the right ways, you can mix high end and low end and it'll work. As you know, I do get a lot of inspiration from RH, but if you go to Homegoods with the same mindset, you can find so many RH Pottery Barn dupes, and you just have to look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up and hit the post notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.